Hey guys, in front of me is OPPO A16S and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first you have to open the settings, scroll and open system settings, then pick backup and reset and go to reset phone. Now select reset all settings, so as you can see it would reset all settings including network, then draw your unlock pattern to confirm. And if you truly want to do it, just click on reset all settings. Confirm it one more time, just remember that this operation cannot be undone. And now wait till your device is back in the default setup. As you can see, the theme has been already changed. Screen timeout and so on. So all the details have been reset. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.